The moment a humanoid robot stands inside a kitchen and prepares a complete meal using its own hands is not just another technology demo. It is a moment that forces humanity to stop for a second and think deeply. Have we just stepped into an entirely new era? Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is moving directly toward that exact moment. Not inside a controlled laboratory and not on a sealed factory line, but inside a kitchen, a place built almost entirely for humans. Elon Musk believes Optimus Gen 3 will spark the humanoid robot revolution, not because it is faster or stronger than every other robot, but because it finally solves the core problems that the entire humanoid robotics industry is still struggling with today. Cooking is the hardest test and the one that cannot be faked. Before we go further, it is important to clear up one very important detail. The yellow and black Tesla robot images with updated arms that recently appeared online are not Optimus Gen 3. Elon Musk himself clearly confirmed that Tesla has not yet revealed Optimus version 3. Those images show version 2 and version 2.5, and those versions were being teleoperated during testing. This difference matters a lot. Optimus Gen 3, according to the current plan, is expected to launch in February, and this is no longer an experimental prototype. It is designed to be the first fully finished version, refined and polished to operate in the real world. While Optimus Gen 2 relied heavily on teleoperation and even experienced falls during testing, Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is built to operate fully autonomously. Elon Musk has stated that Optimus Gen 3 can complete up to 100 open-ended tasks every day because of its ability to learn by watching and copying human behavior. He even believes the robot could cook daily meals and prepare breakfast, functioning like a real household assistant. This is not emotional marketing. It is a calculated strategic statement that reveals Tesla's long-term vision. And before we continue, welcome to AMP Drive. If you enjoy deep dives into future technology and Tesla innovations, make sure to subscribe now so you never miss what is coming next. So how exactly will Tesla Optimus Gen 3 overcome the cooking challenge, and why was Elon Musk genuinely impressed by his own robot? From the very first prototype known as Bumblebee to Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 2.5, Tesla's robot has evolved in a very visible way. Each version represents a major step forward, not only in software, but especially in physical design. Many people underestimate how important design truly is for a humanoid robot. In reality, around 65% of a humanoid robot's real-world performance comes from its design. If a robot is too heavy, it wastes massive amounts of energy just trying to move. If it is too light, it becomes unstable and risks falling constantly. Beyond that, Tesla had to solve an even more difficult challenge. How do you build a robot that does not look frightening like a movie villain, feels friendly enough to enter human homes, and can still be mass-produced at a reasonable cost? That is why Optimus version 2.5 was refined with smoother shapes, enclosed joints, fewer exposed cables, and an overall look that feels far more like a finished consumer product than a research prototype. The clearest way to understand Optimus' true potential is by placing it in the most familiar space of all, the kitchen. Cooking is not a set of repetitive robotic motions. It is a complex, real-world, and extremely delicate challenge. Even something as simple as making eggs requires Optimus to open a refrigerator correctly, identify and sort ingredients, lift eggs without breaking them, turn on a stove, control a pan, crack eggs, add oil, stir evenly, and manage timing with precision. Every tiny action the Tesla robot performs requires a perfect blend of precise hands, strong visual understanding, and smooth real-time coordination. When a robot can cook, it is no longer just a machine. It becomes something capable of functioning naturally inside the human world. This is where the difference between Optimus and today's robots becomes very clear. Industrial robot arms inside factories can weld metal or assemble parts with incredible speed and accuracy, but only in highly controlled and predictable environments. Put those same systems inside a kitchen and they would fail almost instantly. Optimus Gen 3 can handle a frying pan, crack eggs properly, cook them evenly, and remove them at exactly the right moment. That level of ability feels almost unreal. According to Elon Musk, the engineering team trained Optimus as long and as intensely as possible. Their goal was to reach a level of mastery where movements are smooth and mistakes are extremely rare. Because of this effort, Optimus Gen 3 expanded its abilities from a few hundred tasks to roughly 3,000 tasks, nearly double the capabilities of version 2.5, which was criticized after its teleoperated falls. This massive jump is driven by Optimus' unique brain. Elon Musk describes it as a real brain rather than a traditional control system. With Gen 3, Optimus can watch cooking videos, observe how humans prepare meals, or clean kitchens, then simulate those actions billions of times in a virtual environment. Through this process, the robot refines posture, grip strength, timing, and motion before performing the task smoothly in the real world. When a robot can prepare an entire meal from start to finish, the idea of coming home after a long exhausting day and being taken care of no longer sounds unrealistic. Optimus does more than reduce household work. It opens the door to a future where people can focus on what truly matters to them. As Elon Musk often says, work becomes optional. You can work if you want, or a robot can do it for you. In such a future, money becomes far less important because goods and services are abundant. This is also where most other robotics companies fall short. They can build machines that walk, run, jump, box, or play table tennis. But those same robots cannot peel an orange, wash vegetables, or cook a basic meal. Cooking remains the harshest integrated test for a humanoid robot. Even preparing eggs and a sandwich requires intelligence, delicate grip, timing, and cleanup. This is not repetition. It is intelligence in motion. Elon Musk estimates that once Optimus reaches mass production at a scale of around 1 million units per year, the price could settle between $20,000 and $25,000. That might sound expensive, but compared to the lifetime cost of domestic help, personal cooking services, or elder care, it becomes surprisingly reasonable. The artificial intelligence chip inside Optimus alone is estimated to cost between $5,000 and $7,000, and each arm contains up to 26 actuators, showing how complex the machine truly is. Tesla already proved that electric vehicle batteries could move from luxury to mass-market adoption. There is little reason to believe the same cannot happen with humanoid robots. For Optimus Gen 3 to succeed, Tesla has worked on many fronts at once. Along with physical improvements, Tesla is slowly integrating the Grok voice system, allowing Optimus to communicate using spoken language. While responses are still a bit slow, this step shows Tesla's commitment to tightly merging artificial intelligence with robotic hardware. For Optimus to be truly useful in everyday life, especially in the kitchen, Tesla had to focus heavily on what matters most, the robot's brain and its hands. Elon Musk frequently points out that the world is designed for humans, especially for human hands. The human hand has more than 27 degrees of freedom, allowing us to perform both powerful and extremely delicate tasks. If a general-purpose robot is ever going to exist, the hand problem must be solved first. Once the hands reach that level, Tesla can integrate advanced language models, allowing Optimus to understand spoken instructions. The robot could even search for a recipe online if it has never cooked a dish before. Because Optimus can learn from video, one robot learning a new task instantly benefits every other robot. This shared learning ability is something humans will never have. Beyond cooking, tasks like laundry represent a similar challenge. Sorting clothes, loading machines, folding garments, and putting everything away require judgment and precision. Folding clothes alone is something most industrial robots cannot do. Optimus can learn by watching tutorials and then performing the task reliably. If it can complete the entire laundry cycle, it could save families countless hours every week. Elon Musk has also suggested that Optimus could help generate income for its owner. A single robot could work in restaurants, serve drinks, make coffee, move goods, or assist in stores. Tesla has already shown robots operating in real environments. If an Optimus costs around $50,000, it could pay for itself within a few years, making it not just a tool but an investment. Musk believes Optimus could help eliminate poverty and provide high-quality health care to everyone. He sees it as the most important product Tesla has ever built, possibly even more impactful than the smartphone. He imagines a future where everyone has a helpful robot companion, similar to science fiction, but far more useful and friendly. Optimus robots could assist in hospitals, factories, and dangerous environments. They could reduce workplace injuries and take over jobs that are repetitive, risky, or exhausting. Tesla plans to deploy these robots first in its own factories before expanding to other industries. Musk often says Tesla vehicles are already robots on wheels, equipped with batteries, motors, artificial intelligence, vision systems, and custom chips. From that perspective, Optimus is simply the next step. There are three major challenges that stop most companies from building useful humanoid robots: advanced hands, real-world intelligence, and mass production. Tesla is one of the very few companies positioned to solve all three. That is why Optimus Gen 3 represents something truly different. Most people still need to work to survive today, but that may change sooner than expected. Optimus Gen 3 is strong evidence of that shift. Imagine a future where you wake up and your house is already clean, breakfast is ready, laundry is done, and your day is free. It sounds like science fiction, but that is exactly the future Tesla is building. So what do you think? Would you want a Tesla Optimus Gen 3 in your home one day? And does the idea of robots replacing human jobs excite you or worry you? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to AMP Drive for more deep dives into the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.